kín cả một kín với mi hay phải lô tài trong lá da da là cáiวิ่งตั้งแต่ยังวันใต้ตัวเป็นอะไรตัวยะลาไปยะลาไปแม่สายมันบุญขนาดนั้นที่มันโดนบา
I think my work has always been about giving kind of time and space for relations. I mean, there's relations between us, but there's also relation to like the environment, to the world, to, and in this particular kind of situation, it is also about a very particular kind of time and space, this kind of ritualistic thing. So one is anticipating, we stop and we actually could breathe. We forget to breathe, right? We're walking and breathing, but we forget that we're actually doing that. And in a way, I think this situation kind of gives you that time and space to feel it. So I think that that's kind of important at this moment. Yeah, I do hope that people who stop actually really realize what it means to stop.